Hi guys, welcome to Opal Skies. So today we are going to draw owl. So let's get started. First of all, we draw two circles. So draw a circle, draw an other circle with small distance. Draw another circle into which draw another circle here and draw line over it. Draw another line over it. So we are going in the upward direction. Here upward direction, upward. Leaf like structure here appears. So here a curve in the middle, and then here is also a leaf like structure, and then we get in downward direction. So now we draw its feathers. Here is also up and down type. And draw this point to this point. This is a dome shape like here. Ups and down, ups and down, and ups and down. So we draw another dome shape here and draw it's another feather. So we draw its beak now. So here this owl is sitting on a branch of tree. So we draw its feet holding the branch of tree. This is small leaf-like structures join with each other in 3 ratio. So join this point to this point and this point to this point, and again this point out, and draw its remaining area. And again draw ups and down, ups and down, and ups and down, ups and down, ups and down, and ups and down, ups and down, ups and down, and ups and down. It's beautiful eyelashes. Now this is complete. So guys, if you like my drawing, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest videos. Thank you.